I'm doing dishes. I thought it might be nice if you were here. This is my hand moving dishcloth. My soap that's stuck to my sink. A little space. Oh, you know what I did the other day? I made some juice. I took beets out of the garden and I juiced them. It's so good. My juice is dirty. And I took the pulp and I fed it to my worms. And I took the beet tops and I fed them to the chickens. I have to say that I don't think that the chickens are a big fan of beet tops or Swiss chard. But you know what? We'll go somewhere. And they'll stomp on them until they're mixed in, wilted, composted. They'll stomp them into the ground and poop on them. I put up my chicken video. Who loves it? I recorded stuff on my other camera and tried to get it into my computer and it didn't work. I don't know what's happening. It's like the second time that I loaded up my camera with videos and tried to get it off my camera onto my computer and it didn't work. And you know, I think there was a sock video on there of me doing the socks. You know, no good deed will go unpunished. So, I put some chicken manure on my onions. Ooh, made them hot. So I took some other onions and I planted them, because you know, the walking onions have bulbs on the top. And I planted them, some of them out by the mailbox, and then some of them over by the back door. They're pretty. I like looking at them, and I want to rearrange the beds in the garden. I'm not happy. My garden has not been good 2 years in a row now. First year, I put in a whole bunch of stuff and it was all, you know, it was good. And I had like 8, what do you call them, bins, those plastic bins, like I keep the worms in. Was it 8 or 9? It might have been 9. That's when I only had Tanner. 9 bins of sheep manure, and then I had 2 bales of peat moss, and then I got, I think it was 4 bags of topsoil. And I put it all in and rototilled it in. But we had borrowed a friend's rototiller to do that, and we don't have it anymore. So now I have to do something else, figure out something else, how to do it. So I was thinking that I could get a bunch of cardboard and do like a lasagna bed, where you put down the cardboard and then you layer it with compost and straw and that stuff with, you just keep layering it. So I could do chicken manure and straw and cardboard box. See how that works out. Something's gotta work. Of course, I got my raspberries there in the middle, and my have you seen my tomato, my volunteer tomato plants? Woo, they are amazing. What, baby? Oh, okay. You wanna make your own video?
This is the sunscreen.
Oh, that's the sunscreen.
And this is the toothpaste.
That's the toothpaste.
And this is the sunglasses.
These are the sunglasses.
And this is the toothbrush.
And hold it up. There you go. There is a toothbrush. And where did you get all that stuff?
From my Jeep.
From your Jeep. Oh.
Yeah, it's my special place where I keep all these.
Your glove box?
Oh, it's the trunk.
In the trunk. Oh, okay. Grab this thing. Oh yeah, lasagna buns. There's that. Let's figure out how to contain it. I would love some landscape timbers or 1x10 wooden boxes. If anybody lives near me and wants to do some projects, let me know. I would love a trellis for my gourds and my pumpkin and my watermelon to climb. And love some scrap wood. I would love some bricks. I would love some concrete blocks. Just brick and concrete blocks, that's easy. I'd also like to make this something, a sculpture, a living sculpture, if you will. For herbs. It's so pretty. I would need brick. I need some bricks for that. I was going to make dinner rolls tonight, but we're having leftovers, so why bother? I need some soap. That's not doing too good. So, just thinking about making a batch of soap. I have a craft show to go to. Craft show to go to on the 28th. So today's the 20-something. It's on Saturday. It's on Saturday of September. It's 29th of September. This is August, so it's not Saturday. It's a month away. A month and 9 days away. So. But I gotta make stuff. And soap's the easiest. It's requested that I also bring fiber stuff, so gotta bring my fiber stuff. And then we'll see how it goes. I have to bring my own table. Set up. I don't know, it's from 10 to 4. It's in Elmira, New York. Down at Turk's, if anybody wants to go. Oh, we gotta go. I'll make another one. Okay, bye.